Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at dollar CAD as we looked at this market in our market outlook this week. So we want to just highlight a few things here and what we could be seeing coming this week. Now, I didn't want to get involved with this market last week as price was suggesting that the Canadian dollar would get weaker, and we saw that weakness come through, but then obviously the dollar weakness has overridden that and price has come back lower, closing back within last week's range. So this weekly close is quite a clear rejection of all these lows around here and that resistance area. Okay, so nice clear rejection there. So I'm looking for opportunities to get on short this market. Where I'm going to short it to, I'm going to look for an area down into this 1.29. The reason being, a nice area of support on the weekly time frame. We can see lots of resistance over here, nice big support from before when the market may want to test. Also having a little look at our fibs. I haven't had a look, so we'll just see if there's any kind of lining up with fibs. So you can see from this swing low to that swing high, 127.2 confluence of a fib extension there as well. So looking for shorting opportunities down into those lows. Obviously we looked at a potential weekly trade, which would be a short below the candle low, stops above the high, target down into that 129 area, or ultimately we're going to be looking for that short term or short time frame position. Looking at the 4-hour chart currently for potential positions on this. Now, there's a potential opportunity here on the 10 o'clock closing candle as the market could be forming a nice head and shoulders pattern with that ascending trend line coming through there. So there's a couple of different options. Either wait to see if price comes back up into that 132.70 and look for the short opportunity in line with the left shoulder, or, you know, I'm happy to look for positions in and around this engulfing candle, or if you're super cautious, wait for the break of the neckline, wait for the retest and then continuation. So your neckline running right through here, wait for the retest, continuation move down in there. So there's a couple of different options you can look at with dollar CAD. If you were a bit more of an aggressive trader and you wanted to get back, you wanted to get involved with the market, there's a nice bearish engulfing candle. We could look to sell below the low. ATR is saying around about 30 pips, so maybe look to add 30 pips on the swing position in here. So you've got 90 pips on your stop loss, giving you a nice wide stop loss in there. Then you can look to obviously target down at these key lows first, because we are in a 4-hour move there. So you could look for your one-to-ones to coming down there where you can bank a little bit of money, and then look to stretch your position down into those key lows through there. You can also look at this trend line positioning as well through here, wait for a break of that trend line support, and then look for the continuation move. So lots of different options here on dollar CAD. I like the opportunity to short because of the weekly time frame and this head and shoulders forming at that resistance. So any kind of breakdown here looks good to me. So thanks for joining me in this video update. It's been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe for more trading content. If you're watching on TradingView, give us a follow, comment below. How do you see dollar CAD playing out? Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.